Challenge. Be happy. Listen to this for 30 days. Track weekly changes in your thinking and actions. Rate changes from 1 to 10. How happy are you? 1 is lowest, 10 is highest. Let's remove false ideas about happiness from various sources. Erase the belief that you need extraordinary events to be happy. Forget thinking others must change for your happiness. Drop the idea that life must be perfect for you to be happy. Eliminate the belief that others prevent your happiness. Remove the limiting belief that happiness isn't in your control. Let's erase all beliefs that say happiness is hard, sinful, only for the lucky few, or not up to you. Let's erase the effect of living under these beliefs and generating negative expectations. Let's reinforce happiness as an emotional state created by your daily thoughts. We'll erase the mind's effect that blocked thoughts of happiness, peace, satisfaction, and gratitude. We erase to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's erase unconscious programming that sees life as hard, dangerous, unfair, and limited. We'll erase the habit of always reacting with thoughts of tragedy and difficulty. Let's erase the energy of all those worst-case scenarios you keep visualizing for the future. We'll wipe away the weakening interpretations you've made of your past. We'll erase judgments, criticisms, reproaches, complaints, accusations, hurt feelings, and resentment towards your past and all who were part of it. We'll erase all this, traces, remnants, and impressions. We'll remove all resistance to erasing these weakening memories. To 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, within finite time. Let's strengthen you to realize the past only exists as memories, relived each time you bring it to the present. We'll help you see how this causes pain, suffering, poverty, dissatisfaction, and resentment. So we erase it to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, within finite time. Strong and neutral to feel happy or not, always or sometimes. Strong to feel extremely happy or barely happy at all. Strong to feel absolutely no happiness whatsoever. Strong for all options and in the face of all options. Strong to feel unhappy or not, always, never, or sometimes. 100% strong, infinite potential, 100% of the time, finite span. Strong to release, erase, forgive, and forget what blocks happiness. Let's erase guilt and resistance to joy and carefreeness. We erase religious influences. cultural and ancestral to zero minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Will strengthen your central nervous system to observe, learn, and practice happiness with a strong mind to accept all you dislike about your life without conflict or rejection, strong to solve all you dislike about your life and to accept everything that's not in your power to resolve because you can't, don't know how, don't want to, or it's not your responsibility. We strengthen 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time, strong to let go, erase, release, free, forgive, protect, and forget old sorrows, old complaints, and fears from the past. Strong to radically forgive everything and everyone, including yourself. Strong to forgive it all, accepting things as they were without mind, spirit, or judgment, empty of criticism, judgment, and resistance. Strong to feel confident and calm in the midst of problems. Amidst challenges, stay strong, believing a solution exists sooner or later. You'll find a way to overcome it. Be strong to find meaning and purpose in all you do. Stay strong, remember your goals, have a reason to push forward, have direction, goals, focus. Be strong to keep trying, be strong, generate your own motivation, joy, and conviction. Act with passion, energy, and commitment in everything. Be proud of what you do, how you do it, and why will make you strong to give your all in every task 100% potential 100% of the time with endless possibilities. Be strong. Trust life, goodness, and a higher power who craves and needs your joy. Strong to help others by sharing happiness, good humor, inspiration, drive, boldness. Strong to see life's vastness beyond what you perceive. Strong to view life beyond sight. Strong to feel beyond skin and discomfort. Strong to hear nature's joy. Strong to strive for self-improvement, to live better and understand life deeper. Let's boost serotonin, dopamine, endorphins, oxytocin, all at peak levels, 100% potential, infinite possibilities, 100% of the time, endlessly. Let's strengthen awareness in all your social bonds. We boost empathy, respect, and objectivity, strong to set goals and achieve things that bring joy to you and others, strong to face challenges, strong enough to become someone you admire, capable of engaging in activities that bring you joy, pleasure, and fulfillment. We separate past, present, and future, erasing weaknesses to zero minus infinity 100% of the time. We balance, center, and stabilize them and strengthen you to release, erase, free, forgive, protect, and forget your past unconditionally, along with weakening interpretations of it. Will also erase control, resistance, fear, and uncertainty, strengthening your nervous system to stay present longer, remaining neutral more often, realizing that in the present you lack nothing. You're in total abundance and self-mastery, aware that dwelling on past or future loses yourself. Strong to transform your self-image daily. With what you tell yourself you do and think, let's create a powerful, empowering internal dialogue that's kind and understanding towards yourself. Will strengthen you to feel both the same and different, to embrace change and perception, and to be comfortable with contradictions. Let's eliminate all weakening emotions, sensations, and reactions, reducing them to 0 and beyond 100% of the time. Will fortify your internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and all aspects of your psyche, unlocking infinite potential continuously. We're going to erase all weaknesses, reducing them to 0 and beyond 100% of the time, indefinitely. Let's reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. Tell me, what number are you at right now? Same or different?